Meaning of hot-headed.
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 Hot-headed. The term hot-headed refers to someone who is easily angered or prone to acting rashly without thinking things through. This type of person may become agitated or emotional over relatively minor issues, and is often confrontational in their approach. When interacting with others, they may come across as impulsive or aggressive, which can lead to misunderstandings and conflicts. It's important for people who are hot-headed to learn how to manage their emotions and communicate effectively in order to build positive relationships with others and avoid unnecessary strife.